Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Pisces for your general energies, career situation and relationship Pisces. We are picking few cards and for your fairy tale oracle guidance we have one card here guys. So I will open that card after this general energy. So these cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship Pisces. So we have the moon in reverse, death and four of wands. So in your situation today Pisces, there are some changes happening, some inevitable changes in your life today. Something is coming to an end, but there is some kind of a new beginning coming towards you. So this change is something unbearable, really. It's giving you lot of pain and sadness, but things are maybe today it may seem as a very difficult situation, something unable to bear for you. It's really unbearable today, but these changes are happening maybe for something positive to come in your life today guys Pisces. That is the reason for these changes happening in your situation, and maybe the dreams or goals, aspirations that you have for your future, or it may be the trust you had on few people. It may not be true. So this person is not really truthful to you. You need to be really careful. They are deceiving you in some ways Pisces, so you have to be careful with this person. And I also see that you're celebrating some new beginning. It may be in your career, or again it may be in your personal life. So we saw that something is coming to an end, or something has already come to an end, and you may be seeing a new relationship in its place, something which gives you happiness, and you're celebrating this love maybe guys. So this unbearable pain or stress or sadness, it is not going to last long guys. So it's not going to be forever. It is going to end today, and you are going to see happiness, hope and love in your life again, and that is going to be much more better than what you had in your life guys Pisces. So that is the energy with these cards Pisces. So let's see what is your oracle guidance for today guys. So we have Tambulina, expectations. So with this card, the energy for y'all is that this is the time you find the people you love and the people with whom you have that sense of belonging, that team spirit, that community. So maybe in your life you are facing lot of challenges and you are learning from them, and few people will not like you. They will reject you and you will reject some people. So it is all part of your experience called life guys. So it will all happen, and you do not have to accept people, their friendship, if you are not comfortable with them, or if you don't feel that friendly with them. So it is time you find your own family and your people whom you love, and you are finding that person guys. So maybe for some of you, this past person, they were not meant to be. So some kind of ending we saw with the previous card. So that person has left you, and the one true love is going to find you guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys, Pisces, for your daily energy. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, Pisces. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.